Hi children, how to write the sound like your van. So today we're going to be learning how to write the sound what? Who is excited? Okay, so you're welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Favor and today I am going to be your teacher. Okay, so right now, before we learn how to write the sound V, I need you to look up the screen and let's say our sounds together from A to Z. Want to go? A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. You did it! That was super fantastic. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Amazing. I am super proud of you, okay? All right, so I'm going to be showing you some sounds randomly, and I need you to tell me. I want to be sure that you know it. So over here, what sound is this? Again, the sound like you're rubbing your tummy and saying, Mommy's meal is so delicious. Good job. Well done. And what about this sound? Amazing. B, 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 b. And what sound is this? The fantastic words. Good job. What about this one? Again, I didn't hear that. Louder. The sound g, 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 g. Like you're saying goat. Goat, goat, or the gates. Okay. Okay, and what about the sound over here? The sound like the sound of an airplane. What sound is this? A super fantastic what? Louder. Good job. Okay, let's go to one more over here. What about this sound here? Like your rat or rag. Good job. And what sound is this one? The sound w, w, w. Beautiful. And finally, over here, what sound is this? Good job. The sound what? Zzz, like the sound of a bumblebee. Okay, children. So right now, I am so impressed with you. I am super happy because you know your sounds randomly, okay? So today, I'm going to be introducing how to write a sound V. Very easy, but very tricky. Come with me. So I have over here my board. Okay, so I have my board here and I have my marker. So I'm going to open this. Now I need you to focus when we want to write the sound V. Okay, It goes from here. So let's do this. We have the right slant down and the right slant up. Did you see that? So let's go again. Right slant down. Don't take your hands away. From there, a right slant up. That's the sound what? If you do this, sometimes you're going to mix it. You're going to do this or this, and no, we don't want that. So that's why I said do not take your hands away. So let's go again. A right slant down and a right slant up. The sound what? Again, a right slant down and a right slant up. So you're not doing a stroke down and stroke up. No, no, no. So all you are going to be doing is a right slant down and a right slant up. So you're tilting your hand this way, this way. Let's make a slant. Let's make a slant. Let's make a slant. Good job. Now we're done making a slant. Let's turn over here and let's try to write it. Want to go a right slant down and a right slant up. Okay, not a stroke down. No. A slant, slant, slant. Let's go. A slant, slant, slant. Okay, so now let's see how we can write the slant. A right, okay, a right slant down and a right slant up. A right slant down and a right slant up. Again, right slant down. Oh, sorry. A right slant down and a right slant up. That's the sound what? So there is a jolly funny sound that goes, drive Vix fun around the village, drive Vix fun around the village, drive Vix fun around the village. Voo, 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 voo. So let's go again. A right slant down and a right slant up. A right slant down and a right slant up. Okay, so let me change my marker now. Let's go again. A right slant down and a right slant up. A right slant down and a right slant up. A right slant down and a right slant up. That's the sound what? Okay, right slant, take it to your right. This is right slant down, okay, and a right slant up, okay. All right, children, so right now we are going to be connecting, writing the sound a to the sound v. So here we go. I need you to focus. So let's go. This time around, we are going to assume that we've already learned what to do. So we have a like a back curve, stroke up, down, and a loop, okay? And we have what? The sound b. So I would want to do something so that we don't cross all our lines, okay? So we are going to be so sure that we are not going to cross our lines. Okay, so let's go again with this one. So the next is what? B. Okay, did you see that? B. Fantastic work. B. The next is what? D. Can you see that? B, k, d. Beautiful dash and the back curve. The next one is what? Beautiful, a curve down and a dash. So we go b, k, d, and g. Okay. We go on g. Beautiful. If you notice, after now we're going to be doing arranging of the sounds, writing the ascenders and the descenders. But for now, let's focus on writing just the sounds, okay? So we go g. Beautiful. E, stroke down, a loop, and a dot. G. E, j. Good job. A fantastic j. G. E, j. Beautiful. The kicking word. The next one is going to be what? Let's take it on here. The next one. O and P. Can you see that? Okay. So we go A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q. Good job. And a slant. Did you see that? That's what? Q. And the next one is going to be what? R. Good. Can you see that? So we have A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R. I'm waiting. Fantastic word. And after that, we come over here. Qu, R, S, T. Beautiful. You must not always start from the beginning. If you can remember from here, that's a good one, okay? So you can see that sometimes Miss Favor goes up to start from the beginning, or she can start from the middle if I have forgotten what to write. So right now I've forgotten what to write over here, and I'm going back to start from O, P, R, S, T. Amazing and fantastic words. Good job. A stroke down. A marker again. So let's change this time around. So a stroke down. Make a loop. Stroke up. Down the same line. And a little loop. And a fantastic words. So let's go from the beginning. Oh, I'll need to close my marker. So let's go from the beginning. We go A, B, K, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, and so let's come over here. The right slant down and the right slant up. That's the sound word. Because we are going to be doing cursive, you can do a little dash. So you can use that to write. So this is how we have connected writing from A to what? You can see it is very easy, right? Good job. Okay, so right now we are going back again, and I'm going to show you how we can write the sound word. So we're going to practice this again. I want to be sure that you have understood how to write the sound word. So let's go. How do we write it? A slant right down and a slant up. Again, right slant down and take it right slant up. Okay, so you can put a little dash because when you want to write like a van, it goes this way. Okay, so we have E and Vim. So this helps you to what? Connect. Okay, so we have a right slant down, right slant up, a right slant down, a right slant up, a right slant down, a right slant up. That's the sound word. Again, a right slant down and a right slant up, a right slant down and a right slant up, a right slant down and a right slant up, a right slant down and a right slant up, a right slant down and a right slant up, a right slant down and a right slant up. Beautiful. So this is how we write the sound word. Well done, children. I am super proud of you, okay, because we are coming to the end of learning how to write the sounds from A to what? Z. So I'm going to see you in the next video where we learn to write the sound W, like the wing of a bird or the wind, okay? So we're going to be learning this in our next video. But till then, remember to keep practicing. Learn how to write the sounds over and over again because I need you to be perfect in it. Okay, so if you have not subscribed before, please kindly just click on the subscription button, and Miss Favor, Mrs. Ezebuchi will be very, very happy and pleased. Okay, thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye, children. Bye.